Hey everyone, if you're looking for a very sporty sedan, then check out this 2014 Dodge Avenger. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your chrome outlined grille with your Dodge badge in the middle and these halogen headlamps up front. And this has a 2.4 liter inline-4 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. And then over to your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. So looking at these front seats, we have these black cloth seats with that sport cloth material, super comfortable. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth streaming and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center, you have that LCD display with your CD insert up top and then all of your buttons for that radio. You also have an aux port right there, your hazard traction control, and your climate controls with a USB port and a 12-volt right there. You also have your automatic stick, 2 cup holders, and then looking into your center console, you have 2 layers. You have this top layer, and then you have another layer below that. So lots of room. Let's take a look at those back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have your cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders. And you have an access point to the trunk right there. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps back there. And take a look into that trunk. So there you go. Super big trunk, lots of room for all of your stuff. So, overall, you have those amazing seats, super spacious vehicle, and if you want to see this Dodge Avenger or any of our other sedans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.